Hello, welcome to another exciting series. So this is series 4. So the question is asking us to calculate the expression s in the equation s equals the fraction tu all over t minus u, leaving your answer in one decimal place when t equals 21.32 and u equals 10.68. Let's delve into the solution for it. Based on the preamble, the expression is giving us s equals the fraction tu divided by t minus u, okay, where tu is virtually saying t multiplying u, right? So t multiplying u would be giving us 21.32 multiplying 10.68, all divided by the fraction 21.32 minus 10.68, right? So 21.32 multiplying 10.68 would give you 227.6976, and 21.32 minus 10.68 will give you 10.64, right? Yes, it's going to give us 227.6976 divided by 10.64. So s is going to be 21.4001504, and placing our answer into one decimal place is going to give us s equals 21.4. Thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly do well to subscribe for more. Thank you. Bye.